Hey everybody, so today we're going to go over these traffic lights, advisory lights just for your truck here. So, if you're in an emergency or if, you have a business that, you might need some lights to light up, these are going to be perfect for it. So super easy, they'll plug right into your cigarette lighter, and then actually they'll just stick onto your back of your truck window, just like I have them here, or you can mount them to the actual truck if you want. I just have the suction pads here, and then you have two different light bars, and then they'll stick right into your back, just like so. So then they'll just plug right into your cigarette lighter, and then you have the on button, and then you're ready to go. You also do have this super long cord too. So this shows you the board of what lights up. So we'll hit the power button. So this is going to be the kind of the effect on the back of the truck like this. So it's going to be perfect. It's going to really be lighting up the back, and so if you have an emergency or if you're on the side of the road, this is definitely going to get your attention. And then there is a bunch of custom patterns too. So you have different ones blinking, so you can have them both kind of going. It's blinking faster. More setups. And we're already up to 17 of them. So just kind of depending on what you kind of want for your flashers, you definitely have a bunch of different ones to work with. And they're the LED, so they're super bright. They're gonna light it up. So you have 26 different ones that you can go through, and you can also customize it too. So if you just wanted it plain, and then you could have it so it's going left to right or right to left, or how the speed. So you can customize it to kind of however you want on the pad here. So you can customize it pattern, and then if you want them going certain ways, and it'll tell you on the screen which way they're actually going. So whatever is happening on there is showing you what they're going to do on there. So super easy to put together. So you have a couple of different options: the suction cup them on, or just mount them on your truck on the outside too if you wanted. And then it's super easy to get them going. All you have to do is push the on and off button, so you can actually kill it on your cigarette lighter. So you'll just hit it, and then your light will come on and it'll automatically start going. So super nice, super customizable, super easy to put on, and this is gonna be perfect for a work truck, something like that, or if you get in a lot of accidents, anything like that, you want to alert people, get people know that you're there. Definitely check these out. Super easy and awesome and bright, as you can tell. It's gonna definitely get somebody's attention.